This is a 2006 Ducati SportClassic Sport 1000 Monoposto, a muscular single-seater cafe racer inspired by Ducatis of the 1970s. This motorcycle is also for sale, heading up for auction on Bring a Trailer, where it will be selling with no reserve as offered from Cascio Motors. Monoposto is Italian for single-seater, describing the Ducati embossed saddle seat. The body features a large muscular fuel tank with a sleek rear tail section with small fenders, and it was offered in just 3 colors, in this case black with a white stripe, and mounted on a tubular steel trellis frame. The suspension is handled by an inverted 43mm Marzocchi fork up front with an adjustable Sachs piggyback monoshock in rear of the double-sided swing arm. The motorcycle also features triple Brembo brakes with 2 two-piston calipers and 2 320mm rotors on the front, and 1 single-piston caliper and 245mm brake rotor in rear, fitted amongst the 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires. The Rizoma handlebar carries matching hand grips and mirrors, and the upper triple clamp was machined to accept a pair of Rizoma bar riser clamps before being powder-coated in black. White dial instrumentation consists of a 160 mph speedometer, an 11,000 RPM tachometer, and a digital engine temperature readout. Additional features include the ohlins steering damper, aftermarket LED lights and turn signals, carbon fiber chain guard, a rear fender eliminator kit, a carbon fiber rear tire hugger, and more. Power comes from an air-cooled 992cc L-twin desmodromic engine rated by the factory for around 92 horsepower and 67 pound-feet of torque, with Marelli electronic fuel injection and an oil cooler, paired with a 6-speed transmission with a dry clutch and drive chain. The engine was also fitted with a Ducati Performance airbox, ECU tuning chip, exposed timing belts with Speedy Moto sprocket covers and sprocket guard, clutch pressure plate and clutch cover, Evoluzione clutch slave cylinder, a gold-finished 520 drivechain, and a 2-in-1 Aero Special Parts exhaust system. The fuel pump, flange, timing belts, fluids, and battery have been replaced, and spare and removed parts will be included in the sale alongside the service record and 2 keys. You can find this 2006 Ducati SportClassic Sport 1000 Monoposto up for auction on Bring a Trailer, where it will be selling with no reserve as offered from Cascio Motors.